Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and last month I did a Q2 what you should be designing for now video, and everybody was like, oh yay, let's do this every month. So that's what we're doing, okay? So we are in the beginning of March. It is March 1st. And as a digital file seller, you should be designing for holidays that are at least 60 to 90 days out, okay? We should be having our products listed 45 to 60 days out. So, because it's the beginning of March now, we are looking at what we can be designing for May, June, and July. And we'll talk a little bit about when you should be listing these designs and a couple, just random ideas of different ways you can go, things you can create for this particular holiday or season or whatever. All right, so let's jump into May. And, May is pretty busy. We've got Mother's Day, Mental Health Awareness Month, Teacher Appreciation Week, graduation season, Cinco de Mayo, Memorial Day, and, there's a few other things too. You just don't, these are the big ones, right? These are the big ones. So, and, we don't design these in May. We list these in March and early April, so we need to be working on them now. All right, Mother's Day. You can do, floral quote, sublimation, PNG designs, birth flower clip art, printable Mother's Day cards. That's, great. Graduation season. Class of 2026, graduation cap clip art, party invite printables. Lots of people are going to be having graduation parties, so they'll be looking for, printable invites and stuff like that. Memorial Day, obviously we got, you can go with patriotic seamless patterns, military appreciation, barbecue party printables, because a lot of people, they have cookouts and barbecues on Memorial Day. Cinco de Mayo, the beginning of May, you can do fiesta clip art sets, typography PNGs, seamless patterns, things like that. But these should all be being listed within the next couple weeks. So if you don't already have your designs going for these, get some done and get them listed within the next, 2 to 3 weeks. All right. And then I skipped right past June. Let's hit June. These you should be listing in, early to mid-April. We have Pride Month in June, Father's Day, Juneteenth, first day of summer. My personal favorite, my husband happens to own a mini donut food trailer, so National Donut Day is, my favorite. And then we have Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month. These should, all be worked on now and ready to list by early to mid-April. We could do Pride Month here, rainbow clip art, affirmation PNGs, seamless patterns again. Father's Day, funny dad quote, different things with funny typography designs for t-shirts and stuff, Grill Master clip art, printable Father's Day cards. Juneteenth, freedom quotes, Afrocentric seamless patterns, educational posters. Then we have first day of summer. You could do, tropical clip art bundles, seamless papers, t-shirt designs with, a fun summer vibe. Obviously, Donut Day, we're going to do donut clip art, seamless patterns, things like that. And you want to do your awareness quote PNGs and, awareness ribbon clip art for June. But again, these are the types of things that you really should be working on now and listing within, the next 4 weeks or so, 4 or 5 weeks. And then July. What do we have in July? we have a lot of fun stuff in July is what we have. We have Canada Day at the beginning of the month. So these things should be listed in early May. And then, of course, we have Independence Day for those of us in the U.S. This too should be listed in early May. Back to school prep already, right? We haven't even gotten out of school for this season, for the year, and we're already looking at creating back to school designs here in July. Shark Week is always a fun one, you know, and you can do clip art, seamless patterns, you know, shark t-shirt designs, things like that. Summer vacation season. You know, this is a good one because, you know, families like to have, you know, matching t-shirts. So you could do family related matching shirt designs for our, you know, summer vacations and holiday vacations. And then we have Christmas in July. So there's a lot of opportunity there to do some fun, different designs, right? So, you know, especially this back to school, okay? You may think it's way too early, but seriously, I have already sold back to school designs before school was even out for the previous year. I've already seen an uptick in my back to school sales sometimes as early as May. So don't sleep on back to school. I know you're probably thinking, that's August. I don't really need to do anything yet, but don't sleep on back to school. All right. And then I thought I would throw in just some evergreen ideas for you this month. These are things that sell well all year long. You may not have thought about any of these, or, you know, who knows, maybe you did. So coffee lovers, that's an evergreen niche that always sells great. People who love coffee love their coffee, right? Pet moms and dog dads, you know, pet owners love to buy things pet related, especially if you go breed specific, things like that. Boho home decor, you know, neutral botanical wall art, minimal clip art, minimal floral clip art, earth toned seamless papers. Those are always popular. Small business owners, don't sleep on small business owners. You know, people who, especially on Etsy, handmade sellers, if they are shipping product, they love to include, you know, thank you cards, social media information cards, you know, where they can be found other than Etsy, stickers, things like that, to just set their packaging apart from everyone else. So you could absolutely, you know, do things like that, or social media quote PNGs. And what I mean by that is you could put together a bundle of 30 images that just have different quotes on them. You know, let's say some are funny, some are inspirational. You could do bundles for each of those, honestly. You could do an inspirational bundle, a funny and humor-filled bundle, a sarcastic bundle, and have them all in the same style and the same vibe. And, you know, small business owners who want to have a social media presence but don't have time to create all of these graphics will, you know, purchase packs of images that they can just send out one a day all month long, you know. So don't sleep on the small business owner. And then farmhouse kitchen, you know, that's usually always popular, you know, recipe card printables, kitchen quote designs, gingham and herb style seamless patterns. Those are always popular too. All right. So I hope you guys, you know, take this to heart. And like I said, remember, we, you know, have to list early. We are not, we cannot wait until the holiday is on us to get our products listed. The earlier you have your things up, the sooner Etsy can start looking at them and deciding, you know, who they should be shown to. And, you know, they get into the algorithm Etsy does their thing and starts putting them in front of the people they need to be in front of. So I hope you guys found this helpful this month. We will do it again next month with June, July, and August. And, just remember, plan ahead, get these designs going. I created this as a PDF this month, so I will leave a link in the description where you can just download this PDF and just save it just to refer to. So you always know what you should be looking at and designing. Alrighty? So I hope you guys have a great day. Take a second to like and subscribe if you don't mind. And I will see you in the next video.